last time we were looking at the area of rectilinear shapes, and I know that you guys are really good at this. So I want a volunteer, please, to raise their hand and remind me, how do I get the length of these two missing sides? That side and that side. Hello, Margaret. I don't know if that's your actual name or if that's mom's name. But welcome, welcome. It's so great to have you with us. Hi, Rolivua. Do you want to help us with these two?
Yes, sure.
All right.
So you get the top length, which is 7 centimeters, and subtract 4 centimeters from the 7 centimeters.
Excellent. And that will give us?
And that will give us 3 centimeters.
Excellent. And how do I get the red side?
So you look at the 5 centimeters and you subtract the 3 centimeters from the 5 centimeters, which will get you to 2 centimeters.
Well done. Excellent. So how do I calculate the area though? What do I need to do?
You can cut the shape.
Am I cutting up, down, or left, right?
Up, down.
Okay, let's cut up, down. Okay, so yeah, cut it like that. So I'm going to have two shapes. I'm going to have that rectangle over there. And I'm also going to have this rectangle over here. So what will my two areas be? I'm going to call this one area 1 and area 2. So how do I calculate for area 1, my sweetie?
You'll say 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters equals 15 centimeters squared.
Excellent. Sure. And you even remembered the squared. Yo, do you know how many people have forgotten the squared? Yo, well done. Excellent. All right. And area 2?
You'll say 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters, which equals 12 centimeters squared.
12 centimeters squared. Yo, you speak way too fast than I can write. All right. So how do I calculate the area of the whole shape? What do I do?
You will add the two rectangles areas together.
Good. So I'm going to have 15 centimeters squared plus 12 centimeters squared, and that will give me
27 centimeters squared.
Excellent. Well done. Amazing stuff. You did that so beautifully. Well done, Rolivua. Okay, excellent. Okay, so this is how we calculate for that. I don't even think, I think Rolivua was like gunning to take my job because she did that so beautifully. I don't know. Yo, just mwah. Excellent. So when we calculate the area of a rectilinear shape, we break it down into its rectangles, calculate the area of each rectangle, and that's going to give us the overall area of the rectangles. Okay. Excellent. All right. But today we're going to be learning something completely different. We are going to be learning about the area of a triangle. Okay, so now when we calculate for the area of a triangle, I know we're gonna bump into a situation where somebody's gonna tell me, ma'am, my teacher does this a little bit differently at school. I want us to calculate two different ways of doing this. Okay, so when I calculate for the area of a triangle, this is going to be my base. And then I'm going to go from the very top of my triangle over there. And we call this top of my triangle, we call it an apex. Okay. Even if it's a 3D shape, even if it's like a pyramid with all 4 sides, that top part of the pyramid is called an apex. Now I'm going to erase it quickly. Yeah. I want everybody to tell me in the chat, what do we call this top part over here? This top part of my triangle. What do we call that top part of my triangle? Thank you, Inati. What is it called, guys? Excellent. It's called an apex. You guys are amazing. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome, Trevor. Awesome, Snowy. I see you. Excellent. It's called an apex. It's called an apex. Great. So now, when I calculate the area of my triangle, I'm going to have to look at my base and I'm going to have to multiply it by the perpendicular height. So I'm going to draw a straight line. I know my line is not straight, but there it is. A straight line from my apex all the way down to my base. And then I'm going to do this. Yeah. Yeah. What does that square tell me, guys? What do we remember about that square? What does that square mean? Danae says it's a right angle. You're absolutely correct. I agree with you. See, Pearl also says it's 90 degrees. Etiquette says it's 90 degrees. Excellent. I'm looking for somebody who can tell me what we know when this line comes together with this line and they make a 90-degree angle. What do we call these two lines? Does anybody remember? It does, Kutlakonke. It measures 90 degrees. Oh, Carrie's got it. There we go. And Bulela's got it as well. Excellent. It means that this is perpendicular. Rolivua even added the word that I needed there. Hopefully, I'm actually going to steal spelling from you guys because for the life of me, I can't spell perpendicular today. Perpendicular. Thank you, Caroline. I was looking at your spelling of perpendicular. Excellent. So now, what we call this is a perpendicular height. Okay. Nondumi, so that's okay. We were not going to unmute, my sweetie. That's okay. All right, it's called a perpendicular height. So when we calculate for the area of a triangle, we say the area is equal to half times the base multiplied, and I'm writing B instead of base, half times the base multiplied by the perpendicular height. Perpendicular height. Okay, there we go. And that's how we calculate for the area. Now, I just found out the difficult way that some of you guys have been taught how to answer this as A is equal to base times height divided by 2. And if this is the way you've been taught, to calculate the area of a triangle, that is perfectly fine, guys. Both of them work exactly the same. And Danae, I promise you, it is not as confusing as you think. Now, if I say to you guys that the base of my triangle is 8 centimeters and the perpendicular height is 3 centimeters. If I put this into my formula, I'm going to go area is equal to half of 8 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters. Now, guys, tell me, what is half of 8 centimeters? What is half of 8 centimeters? Well done, Etienne. Awesome. Excellent. It's 4 centimeters. Good. So I'm going to get 4 centimeters. And I cannot forget to multiply that by 3 because that 3 centimeters is still there. 3 centimeters. That means, therefore, the area of this particular triangle is 12 centimeters. Olwa, do not forget the squared. Squared. 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Centimeter times centimeter is actually equal to centimeters squared. Do not forget the squared, guys. Okay, don't forget the squared. Let's do one more before I drop you guys in the deep end. Okay, if this side of my triangle is 18 centimeters and the perpendicular height is 5 centimeters. Okay, when I calculate for my area, I'm going to go, the area is half of 18 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters. Guys, pop in the chat, what is the half of 18 centimeters? I'm getting varying answers. What is half of 18 centimeters, guys? Good, it's 9. 9 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters. So the area of my triangle will be, put it in the chat for me. Well done, Riley. Exactly, 45 centimeters squared. Yonela, not just 45 centimeters, not just 45 centimeters squared. Guys, if you don't know where to find the squared button, just type out the word squared, because that squared is so important. We must have that squared there, because centimeters times centimeters gives us centimeters squared. If you just write centimeters, that means you're giving me the perimeter and not the area. So you must write centimeters squared, because we're multiplying centimeter by centimeter. Okay, can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? How are we feeling about answering the area of a triangle? Etienne says thumbs up, so does Kanva. Luandle, Jaden is dancing. Nondumiso, Bulela, Rolivua, Trevor, Dene, I just cannot keep up with all of your thumbs up. Awesome, awesome. Tahila says thumbs middle. I'm a little worried about thumbs middle, but okay. Excellent. You guys are doing amazing. Well done. I now have to put you guys to the test. Pearl says, I need to see what Pearl says here quickly. She says, is it fine if we do it like this example? A1 is a half of 4 centimeters. That's perfect, Pearl, because it doesn't matter which number I multiply first. It will not make a difference, my sweetie. But remember, the answer at the end, Pearl, must be centimeters squared. Okay, so even if you go 18 times 5 and you multiply those together and then you halve them, that's perfectly fine. That's actually what you're doing if you use this formula over here, and it will give us the exact same answer. Okay, I do not mind that at all. All right, okay. I'm going to give everybody 6 minutes to answer A to F. Remember, guys, this is my base. This is my base, and this is my perpendicular height. There's my perpendicular height. Okay. And once you're done with all of that, I want you guys to pop the fire emoji in the chat for me. You've got 6 minutes, A to F. Answer all of them on your pen, on your piece of paper in front of you, or your Watobe book. I really hope we can make Watobe books a thing. Don't you think, Teacher Kat? I think that would be so cool. Olwa, it doesn't really matter. Okay. The order does not matter, my sweetie, because if I asked you, what is 3 times 2 times 4? You would say to me, that's 24. And if I said, what's 4 times 2 times 3, that would still give me 24. And if I asked you, what's 2 times 3 times 4, that'll still give me 24. So the order that I multiply in does not matter. The answer will always be the same, because multiplication, backwards and forwards, all of it is the same. Okay, it's the addition and subtraction that gets a little funky. Danae says, Watobe laptops have to be made now. That's a money idea. I like it. Yes, Ola.
Hi, Miss.
Hello.
So I know what you're trying to say about that, but like, as you can see, like for number A,
Yes.
the
Yes.
triangle is like different, and 6 isn't 6 the base, and
Yeah.
8 is the height, and 10 is the breadth.
No, not in this case. And 10 is actually the hypotenuse. Remember when we have right angle triangle, we call this side a hypotenuse? Remember?
Yes.
But we don't use the hypotenuse to calculate for area. Okay. We only use the base of the triangle and the perpendicular height. Okay, that's all we use. Okay.
So for all 3 of them, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be in order.
In fact, it doesn't even have to be in order. In fact, this shouldn't be there. Okay, you can calculate for the height without this. Okay, all you have to do is go 6 centimeters times 8 centimeters, half of that. Or you can go 6 times 8 divided by 2. Okay, don't use the hypotenuse. We do not use the hypotenuse. Okay, and Teacher Kat is right. It's there to confuse you.
Oh, because I thought you use all 3 of them and then you halve them all.
No, my sweetie, just the base times the height, and then you half it. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
All right. Okay, Caroline, what's up? Hi, Caroline.
No, I was raising up my hand to answer your question.
Ah, I see. Okay, okay. Keep that hand up, my sweetie. We're going to get to it in just a minute. I'm going to give everyone a chance to catch up. I know, Inati, I'm giving you some time. I know you're not done. Just going to write that other formula over here for those of you just half times base times height. Okay. Excellent. Hello, Karabo. Thank you, Charity. Yes, Punola, we're doing all of it, my sweetie. Don't leave a single one out. All of it. No worries, Punola. We're doing everything, my sweetie. All of it. It's nice to have you. Thank you, Nicolita. Everyone else, you've got exactly 1 minute left. Somebody's asking to ask something. Gracious. Yes, my sweetie. Do you want to unmute? Can I ask you to raise your hand, please, Gracious? So you can ask a question. Oh, there we go. Hi, Gracious.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I just ask, once we're done,
Yeah.
writing the answers for all 6 and everything, are we supposed to type in the answers in the chat, or should we wait until time's up?
Yeah, you can just wait for me, my sweetie. Normally, what I'll do is I'll ask you to put an emoji in the chat. This time we're using the fire emoji. So once you're done, all you need to do is just put the fire emoji in the chat, and then I can tell how many people are finished. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Okay. And I think that's enough time for everyone. I think Caroline finally found it. Well done, Caroline. All right. Okay, Caroline, let's go with number 1. Are you ready? Let's do A together.
Ma'am, A is area equal to a half
Good.
times 8
Mm-hmm.
times 6
Good. Therefore,
equals,
A equal to.
therefore, equal to 4 times 6.
Good. Oh, and I'm writing the therefore in the wrong place. Yeah. Now I can say, therefore,
4 equals to 24 centimeters.
just 24 centimeters
Square.
squared. Good.
Square.
Don't forget my
Yeah.
squared. You never forget my squared, or Caroline. Well done. You did that beautifully. Excellent stuff. Well done. Etiken, are you ready? Let's do number 2, my dude.
Okay, so it's A equals a half multiplied by 4
Good.
times 7.
Good.
Then A equals 2 centimeters times 7 centimeters.
Excellent.
Then, therefore, A equals 14 centimeters squared.
Excellent. You did that so beautifully. Well done. Well done,
Thank you.
Etiken. Amazing. Mutevang, next one. Let's go. Let me move over a little bit. I need space. I need space. Hi, Mutevang.
Hi, ma'am.
All right, give me the answer to the last one. What am I doing? Or C, actually.
A equals half
times 12 centimeters
Good.
times 5 centimeters.
Excellent. Don't use this one. This one is trying to trick you. Okay. So A
I
is equal to
6 centimeters
Mhm.
times 5 centimeters.
Excellent.
Therefore, A
Therefore,
equals to 30 centimeters squared.
oh, well done. Amazing. Excellent. Well done, Mutebang. All right, Nicolita, let's do the next one. Are you ready? Let's do D.
It is half times base times height.
Okay, so what am I going to write? I'm going to go area is equal to,
Half times base times height.
okay, what is my base, my sweetie?
The base is 20 centimeters
Good. Multiplied by,
multiplied by 4 centimeters.
so A is equal to, what's half of 20, Nicolita?
Half of 20 is 10.
Good. 10 multiplied by 4 centimeters. Therefore, my area is going to be, now you give me,
Therefore, A is equals to 4 centimeters squared. 40 centimeters squared.
good. Yo, I was just about to say, girl, no. 40 centimeters squared. Well done, Nicolita. Amazing. Well done. All right, Amu, let's do the next one. Ready? Hi, Amu.
Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So what am I writing, my sweetie?
For the next one, we're going to say area equals to half
Mhm.
times 6 times 9.
Okay. And then area is equal to half of 6 is?
1. So
What's
then
half
we're
of-
going to say 20 area equals to the ma'am. What I got was the answer. See this extra step in the
see, now
middle.
I can't just give you marks for answers, my sweetie. I need you to show me the process. I need to make sure that you understand it. What is half of 6, Amu?
Half of 6 is 3.
Good. So I'm going to write 3 multiply by 9. So therefore my area will be equal to, what's 3 times 9, my dude?
27 centimeters squared.
Excellent. There we go. That's the order I needed in. Okay, that shows me that you understand the steps. Okay, but well done, Amu. Well done. All right, Lande, let's do the last one together. And those of you who have your hands up, don't even worry. There's a lot more where this came from. Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Area equals to half times 10
Good.
times 13.
Excellent.
Area equals to 5 times 13.
Excellent.
Therefore, area equals to 5 times 13. Area equal to 65 centimeters squared.
5 centimeters squared. Please tell mom not to calculate for you in the background. I can hear mom. No. Okay, well done, Rande. Well done. All right. Okay. Mark out of 10, guys. How are we feeling about calculating the area of a triangle? Jaden, I know it's so easy for you because you've gotten every single answer correct in the chat. I see you. Oh, I'm so sorry your laptop died. Sorry. Okay, I'm still seeing people like, I'm at a 4, I'm at a 2. I'm feeling kind of good. Some people are feeling 1,000. Some are feeling in the middle a little bit. Caleb says easy, this is a 10. Okay, I see you guys. All right, but obviously we can't stop there. Well done, Gracious. I see you. I see you. Excellent. All right, let's try a couple more triangles. Okay, so now these are not right-angled triangles. These are irregular triangles, and they give us the base times the perpendicular height. I'm going to give you guys 6 minutes. So at 60 or at 6:39, I'm going to check in with you guys. Need you guys to remember that area is half times base times height. So for those of you who are still a little bit confused, okay, this is your chance to get that correct. Okay, yes, Inati, same method. We're not doing anything different. Remember, this is my base, and this over here is my perpendicular height. Okay, and when you guys are done, I want you guys to put the dancing lady emoji in the chat. Same method, Kangwa. We are doing nothing differently. We're doing the exact same thing. And I wrote bash instead of base. Yeah, there we go. All right. 5 minutes and counting, everyone. No worries, no much to be welcome. Yes, Etoken, we're doing everything. All of them. I'm not too sure what type of device you're on, Engineer. I can't be able to help you from my side. Tahila, probably not. You haven't spoken to me in a minute. Yes, 1 question per minute, 1 mark per minute, Nondumiso. That's how we do it. All right, guys, I think that's time. All right. Okay, let's look at some of these. Nondumiso says, ma'am, you should smile more. Oh, guys, I'm not sad, I promise. Perfectly fine. All right, Caroline, let's do number 1. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Area equals to a half
Mm.
times 6
Mm.
times 4
Times 4. Okay.
equals to 3 times 4.
Good. Therefore,
Therefore, it equals to 12 centimeters squared.
excellent. Well done. That was quite easy. Thank you. Inati, let's do the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What am I writing?
12 times base times height.
Okay. So area is equal to half times.
Base times height.
Okay. What is the base, my sweetie?
It's 7.
What is my base?
Oh, it's 14.
14. Yes. You're already halving it. You're a step ahead of me, my dude. 14 times. What's my perpendicular height?
5.
5. Good. So what's half of 14, Inati?
7.
Good. 7 times 5. Therefore, my area is equal to
28 square centimeters.
7 times 5.
7 times 5. It's, isn't it 28 square centimeters?
Can you calculate again?
Times 5. Oh, it's 35 square centimeters.
35 centimeters squared. Sure. I think you were doing 7 times 4.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And you need to do 7 times 5. Well done, Inati. I know somebody in the chat was like, ma'am, I'm doing my calculations a different way. But I'm getting the same answer. Yes, you are allowed to switch them around. They will still give you the same answer because when you multiply, it doesn't matter which one comes first. Okay, Gracious, do you want to do the next one for me? Do you want to unmute for me, my sweetie? You can unmute.
Okay, Miss.
All right, what am I writing?
Miss, are we on number C, right?
We're on C, yes.
Miss, the thing is, I did mine in a different method and not the one like exactly, but I still got a good answer.
Okay, give us your method and let's see if it gets us to the same answer. What am I writing?
Okay, so I first said A, which equals B times A, which is, I said A equals length times height, sorry.
Okay.
And
Times
then
height,
I
which
said,
was 9 times 3, right?
yes. And then I said 9 times
Okay.
3 is, and then I said 9 times 3 is 27.
Good.
And then I said 27 divided by 2, which is 13,5 centimeters squared.
Excellent. Excellent. Exactly the same thing. We're doing the exact same thing, Gracious, you and I. Okay, it's just mine looks a little different from yours, but you're doing the right thing. Well done, my sweetie. Okay. Karabo, let's do the next one quickly. Hi, Karabo.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, my sweetie. Okay, let's do D together.
Yes, ma'am.
What am I writing?
A equals to a half times 40
Good.
times 25.
Good. All right. What's my next line going to read? A is equal to?
20
Good.
times 25.
Good. Therefore, area is equal to? What is area equal to, my guy? If you're stuck, check in the chat. Etiquette forgot his squared.
500 centimeters squared.
Good. 500 centimeters squared. There we go. Excellent. Well done. All right. I need you to mute for me, my sweetie. Thank you. Klotso, can we do the next one? I know some of you have asked to do some. I just want to hear everybody's voice today, guys. Okay. Hi, Klotso.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
All right. How are we going to answer E? Let's go. A is equal to?
A half times 8 centimeters times 12 centimeters. And then
Ooh. Did you say centimeters?
I mean,
look.
yes.
It's not centimeters this time. What do we have?
Meters. No, ma'am, I'm
18.
doing.
Are you doing F? No, we need to do E, my dude.
Oh,
Let's
sorry,
do
ma'am.
E. No worries.
A half times 20 times 18 centimeters. And then
Meters. Area is equal to?
area is equal to 10 times 18 centimeters.
We keep saying 18 centimeters, 18 meters. All right. Therefore,
therefore, area equals 118 meters square.
Excellent. Meters squared. Well done. You did that beautifully. Okay. Excellent. All right, Lwandle, can we do the last one together, my sweetie?
Yes, ma'am. Area
All right.
equals half times 12 times 8 centimeters.
Excellent.
Yes. Area equals 6 centimeters times 8 centimeters.
Excellent.
Therefore, area equals 48 centimeters squared.
Just centimeters? Squared. There we go. Squared. Excellent. Sure. Guys, you guys are amazing. Well done, Lwandle. Excellent. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I think you deserve a brain break. Let's do a brain break. I think we can do a brain break. Do we want to run the poll, Teacher Cat? This one seems like really easy, but let's see. Oh, we're getting the same idea. Oh, gracious. What do you guys think? Would you rather? This is so interesting. This class is like a little bit more on the funny side than they are on the smart. Interesting. A lot of you guys are saying funniest. Sure. Yonela says smart. Spokuhle says funniest. See, Tahila loves funny people. I agree. So who said I want to be the smartest because I'm already Nomashubi? Smartest person. Bandile says funny. Bokang says smile and 100%. Inati says they want to be both. Okay, sure, Kanye. I can do that for just a second. There's the corrections for F quickly. Gracious says the smartest are usually the nicest. Are they? Nah. I mean, if you've ever watched The Big Bang Theory, Sheldon is a good example.
He is funny as well, though.
I mean, he's funny. I don't think he knows he's funny.
I don't think he's trying to be funny. He's just...
Yeah, he's just funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Bonolo, do you want to tell us which one you chose? Let's see. I think we can end the poll and share results. Okay, that's what everyone chose. Bonolo, which one did you choose?
Ma'am, hi, ma'am.
Hello, Bonolo.
So, ma'am, I chose to be the smartest person alive.
Okay, why?
Because, ma'am, right now we are in term 4.
Oh.
And a lot of people are stressing about the exam.
Oh, so now
And
you
I'm
just
one
want
of
to
them.
pass your exam.
So, ma'am, yes, ma'am, without stressing.
Oh, but you know, you can
Yes,
always
ma'am, that's
study
how.
and not stress.
And also, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Oh, I've lost Pinolo. I've lost Pinolo. Okay, I hear you. I hear you, my sweetie. Okay. Rolivua, what do you think? What do you think? Which one did you pick?
I chose smartest person alive.
Okay, why?
Because I've already been the funniest person in my class. Like on my report, it says class clown. But if I'm smart, as well, I'd get really high grades. So like, I could get like scholarships and I won't need to study because I'm smart.
I feel like you guys are using it as a cop-out so you don't have to study. I see it. You guys are being very sneaky. I don't trust you guys anymore. You guys are just trying to get out of homework. I see you, Rolivua. Okay, I want somebody who chose funny to put their hand up for me. If you chose smart, can I ask you to put your hand down? I want somebody who chose funny. Pearl, did you choose funny?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, tell me, why did you choose funny, my sweetie?
I chose funny because I will say I'm really smart, but I chose funny because people won't be bored with me.
Oh, okay, I see. So you want to be like the life of the party all the time.
Yes, ma'am, but not in class.
Not in class, yes, because we have to concentrate in class, right, Pearl? And it's like,
Yes.
oh, be serious and concentrate. Exactly. I agree with you. I agree with you. Kama, what do you think? What did you choose?
Ma'am, I chose funny, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, why did we choose funny?
Because I'm already smart and my jokes are dry.
Oh, shame. Oh, so you want people to just listen to your dry jokes for the rest of their lives.
No, ma'am. I want to be funny.
You want to be really funny now, is that what you're saying?
Yes.
I appreciate your level of honesty, Cover. Excellent stuff. Well done, dude. Excellent. Okay, I think we're going to stop it there, guys, because we've got a couple more things to do today. Okay, we can stop sharing maybe. A lot of you guys said, yeah, I'm already funny. I'd rather be smart, but I feel like I would rather be funny so that I can, bond with people on a particular level. I feel like if I'm smart, I'm going to think everybody, excuse my French, I'm going to feel like everybody's not that smart. And I'm always going to be like, I'm not going to be very nice to be around, especially when I know everything. You see? Yeah, I don't want to be that kind of person. But now I need to complicate your guys' lives with these last 3 questions. So, if you guys have a look at this question here, okay, the perpendicular height is not in the triangle itself. And Gracious is just like, easy. Gracious is just, she's feeling herself. She's just like, yeah, I got this, ma'am. I'm with you. Inati, I'm sorry. Inati says I ruined the mood with these questions. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Inati. I know we were having
they're all
fun.
going to choose smart now.
Everybody's gonna be like, yeah, we need to choose smart, guys. But I think, you guys would think that these are really difficult. They are not, guys. Trust me, we're still going to use the same rule. We're just going to go A is equal to half times the base times the height. Or the one that Gracious uses, A is equal to multiply the base times the height and then divide by 2. You guys can do either of these. It's exactly the same. Okay. Guys, try these. You've got 2 minutes. I'm going to do them along with you as we go. All right, Emmanuel, do you want to try the first one with me? Hi, Emmanuel.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. This one is quite easy. We're doing it the exact same way we did the other one. So I'm going to write area. What am I going to write? Area is equal to?
Length times breadth.
Oh, no, you're missing something at the beginning.
Length, height times breadth times length.
Half times?
Length times breadth.
Okay.
Times
the base times the
4.
height.
Times
So I'm
4.
going to say half times 4 times?
9.
9. Good. Then my next line is going to read area is equal to? What's half of 4?
2.
2. And then I'm going to multiply that by 9. Right?
Yes.
And then therefore the area is equal to, what's 2 times 9?
18.
18. And then what do I need to write?
Centimeters squared.
Excellent.
Squared.
Centimeters squared. Done. Well,
Thank you.
well done. Amazing stuff. Okay, great stuff, Emmanuel. Riley, let's do the next one.
Hello, ma'am.
Riley. Hi. Okay, what am I writing, my sweetie?
Area equals half times 6 times 16.
Good. Times 16. Excellent. And then what am I going to get? Area half of 6 is?
3.
3 times 16.
16. Therefore, the answer is 48 centimeters squared.
Excellent. You did that so beautifully. Amazing stuff. Well done, Riley. Awesome. Sange, I see you, my dude. Where are you? Let's do the last one together.
Ma'am, it's A equals to half times
Good.
13
times 13
times 5
excellent
times 5.
Then area is equal to
26 times 5.
Ooh, 26. I'm not sure how we got 26. What's half of 13, Sanyi? Guys, help him out in the chat.
Oh, it's 6.5, ma'am.
It's 6.5. Good. Okay. So I'm gonna have 6.5 times 5. Therefore, the area is gonna be what? 6.5 times 5.
32.5, ma'am.
Good. 32.5 what?
Centimeters squared.
Centimeters squared. Well done. That's it. Well done. You guys did so amazing. Saya, thank you so much for getting us over that finish line. Okay, awesome.